How to schedule send messages with Google Messages. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can schedule send messages with Google Messages. To schedule send messages with Google Messages is very simple. The first thing to do is to ensure you have the Google Messages installed on your mobile device, and then once that is done, go ahead and open up the app. Once the app is open, the next thing for you to do is to select the conversation which you want to schedule a message. So to select a conversation, you can select the conversation amongst your chats here, or you can just click on the start chat icon by the lower right corner of the screen. So here you'll be asked to type a name or the person. So once you type out the name, you'll be taken to the person's conversation with you. And the next thing for you to do is to check at the lower part of the screen where you see some icons. Click on the plus icon, and then once you click on the plus icon, a box would pop up. In the box, you'll see several options such as gallery, GIF, stickers, files, location, contact, and then schedule send. Just click on schedule send, and just click on schedule send. A window will pop up asking you to schedule send, that is to select the time that you want to send the message. So you can just select any of the options displayed, such as later today, later tonight, tomorrow, or you can decide to pick a date and time. So to pick a date and time, just click on pick date and time, and then you can set it to another day. It could be the next year, it could be anytime. All right, just select it and click on next, and then after that, once you have to select the time, then click on next, and then click save, and just like that, the sent message has been scheduled. All right, such that when the time is right, now all you need to do is to type the message that you want to send, and it has been scheduled. When that time comes, the message will be sent automatically to the person. So this is very cool. Go ahead and try it out now. Thanks for watching.